So in this video, we're going to see about the LayerEdge Light Node setup. So this is nothing but the CLI version of the browser nodes. So for running this, you need to have at least 4 core, but 8 core is the recommended one. And same as the RAM, you need to have at least 4 GB, but 8 GB is the recommended. Over 100 GB disk space is good. So for the combo part, so if you bought or if you got the Redot card when I posted the video and you use the Redot card for purchasing a VPS like a few months back, then you can use the same email address. So it's working for the same email address only. If you are a new user, then you are trying to use the Redot Pay method, it's not working. You can use the PayPal or credit card method. So let's get into the VPS setup part. So there is the new VPS. Let me show you. So it doesn't have any folders. So let's get into it. As usual, just install the dependencies. So press Y here. So the system has been updated. Next, you need to install the Go language. Just copy and paste it. And then you need to install the Rust language also. So proceed with the standard installation, press 1 and enter. So the installation has been completed. After completing the installation, just run this command from here, the dot to the cog, just copy it and then right click it. So it will be automatically sourced to your path. I also tried to include it here, so just follow it. And then you need to install the R60. So just run this command. Alright. And then clone the repository of LayerEdge. The repository has been cloned. You also updated the command, so just make sure you follow it. And then you need to make a file that is the env file, and then copy this whole thing. And here, just watch carefully. So here, just create a wallet on your MetaMask, and then get the private key. So you need to paste here without the OX. So most of the, if you are creating a wallet using on Rabi, it will be generating with OX on the prefix. You need to copy the private key from here. Just click on the account details. So here you can also add the account, just import account or click add a new Ethereum account, means it will generate a wallet using the seed phrases that you have. It will automatically derive a second path or third path accordingly. So just do it, just create a new wallet and then go to here. You can also click here on the account details. So this is the wallet I'm using for this. So just click here and show private key, type your password and then get the private key and paste it here. So let me show. Copying your private key, just paste your private key so it similarly look like this, and then just press Ctrl X and then Y and then enter it. So that's all. Let me quickly paste my private key and then get back to you. So I pasted my private key there. Let me clear it for the better view. And no need for that quotes when you're pasting the private key for your information. After editing the env file, just open a screen and run this command. Press enter. So it will build all the packages. So it will eventually take around 10 to 15 minutes. So after you getting like a connected to server, because I already ran it, just wait until you see that thing. So see, after getting the server is connected on like a port 3001. So just don't do anything and make sure you are not running any other service on this port, because if you are using an old VPS, you might run some services and check whether there is any services on this port. So just detach from the screen. So for that, press Ctrl A and D. It will link. So after that, just open another screen and then just run this command. So just wait for a few minutes. You will get like a node running packages. Just make sure. So you will run some packages and then the light node will be initiated and then you will get a public key like this. So right now the RPC is not working properly. That's why there is error. So I will inform in my Telegram channel when the RPC works perfect. So just need to open the screen again and then run only this command. So write this command, right? Just copy it and paste it and then run it again. so it will automatically start. So for now, just copy the public key and then go to LayerEdge dashboard. Let me quickly refresh it. So for now, you can deattach from the screen, Control A and B. So after copying your public key, just make sure you see that plus symbol, right? Just click on the plus and then paste your public key address and link your wallet. So you will have a pop-up on your wallet, just sign it. So right now this connecting things also not working for now. So I'll post the video anyway, just I'll also, and then I'll inform you when these things are working in our Telegram channel. So make sure you join our Telegram channel and follow me on X. I'll post update on this. So see, the linking also failed. So we need to wait for some time. I'll let you know guys on this thing. So after running the light node command, you will get your public key, right? You can just close that screen. Later I made a script for the automation, so you don't need to come and rerun the commands again for when the RPC works. So the script will automatically keep running until the RPC is up. So for that, just copy this command and then paste it like it, and just copy this command and paste it in a service file, and then Control X, cap Y, and then press enter. So the service file has been created. So we just need to reload the daemon and then enable the service file and then start it, and we're gonna check the service status. So this is running, and then we're gonna check the logs. So you will get what you got when you run this light node command, right? So you will get the same command. So you will get your public key and then the RPC is down. So again it will keep trying. So when the RPC works, it will automatically connect to the RPC, and then you will eventually earning the points. So you just need to copy your public key and then paste it on your LayerEdge to connect to the CLI node. So just connect your public key to your browser dashboard, so you can earn points and then monitor within your dashboard itself. You can use Ctrl C to exit the context. So you just log in again to check the log files. You don't need to do anything. So that's it. So just keep the screen running along. Let me create for the better view. Screen underscore ls. So you can close this light node screen. There is no need for this again because we enable the automation script. So just keep this R6 screen for running. So you can screen underscore R. So it need to have starting server on port 3001. So then only your RPC will connect when it is up. So just I'm gonna exit the screen, Control A and D. So that's it for now. So I'll inform you guys once the RPC is up. You can just connect your public key to your dashboard. In our Telegram channel, I will inform it. So that's it for today, guys. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, make sure to follow me on Twitter and turn your notification icon. We are focusing on the monod part. So if you are able to join our town channel, you can join it. Otherwise, you can also stick to our Twitter profile. I post both on towns and Twitter. So make sure to join our community and then subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, give a like button and share it with your friends. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe.